Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to print star pattern using a Python language. Right. So first of all, in Python we use while loop. Yes, we can do star pattern by a for loop also. But in this video, I am discussing to printing star pattern by the while loop. So let us see. First of all, we have to declare one variable, and a variable start with 1. Let's take a variable I, and I is used specifically for a printing row. Yeah, counting the row. First of all, I will start with I, and their initialization will be 1. Okay, then we will use a while loop. 1 minute. I hope so case all things looking ठीक है. So yes, I will start with I is equal to 1. This is the first step. During while loop, first of all, we have to initialize the variable that I have done of initializations. Next step, using while loop, we give the condition while I should be less than equal to 5. It's depend upon you how many row you want to print. And in this programs, I am printing star patterns of 5 row. That's why I declared 5. If you want to print the star pattern of a 6 row, then you can change the integer. It's all upon you. What do you want? I have declared condition, and we will end with the using colon. That's it. This is a step 2. या फिर we can say it is a line of code. Second, when this condition is true, then we proceed j equal to 1. I am telling you that the j refers to the printing. What you are going to printing? You are going to printing a star. Basically, they're all responsibilities of printing a star. Okay, that's why I am using j variable. Then we will check if I is less than equal to 5. If this condition is true, then we will initialize j is equal to 1. Third, fourth line of code, again we will use while loop. Okay, in while loop, what we will do? We will doing j. We give the conditions again. If we using whenever we are using, basically we are using nested while loop. What is nested while loop? So basically, nested while loop is that type of while loop when we use parent while loop, and in parent while loop, again we will use while loop that is called a child loop, and the combination of this while loop that is called a nested while loop. So in this while loop, we will give conditions of j. If j is less than equal to I, not one I, if this conditions is corrected, then we proceed further. While j is less than equal to I, we simply print whatever we want to print. Here I want to print star. That's why I am entering print function. In print functions, I enter the symbol of star. Simply you will write print in double quotes. You declare the what you want to print, and for avoiding to changing the line from one line to another line, and we try to remain in same line until our condition is true, so that we will use a one more functions, not a function, that is a variable, that is a predefined variable in Python, that is end is equal to, in double quotes we will write two double quotes with empty number, yeah, empty values. Then we can close this functions. Then if j is less than equal to 1, I will print one star pattern. Again we are check Now I am um in increasing the value of j, it is j plus 1. So, okay, if until the j plus 1 increment, and they will going to check the condition, and the condition will be executed till that time we have to printing star pattern. At a time comes when your conditions will terminate. In that scenario we have to move from this loop and goes to this loop. Okay, so we now using a print function to change line and increasing the row. For increasing row we will we will increase our row, that is I is equal to I plus 1. Got it my point? And we have to also remind the indentations, because Python is all about indentations matters. So print functions we have to indented with we have to adjust with the while loop. Here while loop is there, and we move this function there, because this loop will be executed in this, and we move. Yes, now all things is good. Now we are going to run this our code. Let me check anything's not left which is missing. All things are clear. Now we are able to run this code. Yes, you can see the star pattern. There is a 5 row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So this is our aim to print this star pattern. One thing you also can be observed, if you change here, if you change this star, okay, instead of star we can simply write the things. We can simply use it like a what? Mm, what we can do, we can simply write 1. What the output will be print, like if we write I, then control plus save, and again we'll check what the outcome will come. You can see I hope you understand the logic behind printing the star pattern, and it will very easy, not much more complicated. But yes, the things which are easy, still we want to print it. Got it? So this is the condition and this is the approach what I have discussed before you. Thank you. In next video I will come with another concept of the Pythons. Thank you once again.